Introducing the newest map style in REVER, Satellite 3D. Go ahead and click into Map Settings in the upper left corner. You're going to go to Map Style, the first one being default, the second one being Satellite, just 2D, and then the third one, Satellite 3D. Click that, click the X, go back to the Track tab. Zoom in, use 2 fingers and swipe up to tilt the horizon. This will allow you to see the terrain in 3D. You can also plan in 3D. So we're going to go into Create Ride, click Where To, use those 2 fingers, swipe up to change the horizon. You can zoom and tilt by panning around with 2 fingers. Click down on Select when you're ready to pick your waypoint. Then you'll be able to view the route and continue planning. I'm going to exit out so I can show you more features. Now that we're back in the Track tab, you can hit record and you can track in 3D as well. So check it out.